Are you tired of your listings getting taken down from eBay, Mercari, and even platforms like Facebook, right? And you're trying to figure out how you could list that product. And I'll give you an example. Maybe a MagSafe charger, maybe a pair of headphones, maybe even just that power bank. There's a bunch of products that have Apple logos on them, Samsung logos on them. Now, I don't want to focus on the physical product right now. I want to focus on actually how we list, right? And when I started in 2014, right, never thought of actually doing this. I would just go online and just start searching for generic iPhone chargers, generic headphones. But what happens if the picture that you find on platforms like eBay or Mercari are really good and you want to take them, but you don't really know how to extract and also get rid of the things your product does not have. Now, let me give you guys a few examples. So if we go over, right, to eBay and we start looking at, let's say, MagSafe charging, okay? We start going over to the MagSafe, right? When we look at this picture right here, this is a really clear cut picture, white box. But the problem we have is this Apple logo. Now, how can we take this Apple logo and literally get rid of it? Well, I'm gonna show you in this video how I do this on not just charging accessories, but also headphones. I'm talking about headphones like this, S6 headphone, right? So the S6 headphones, these are like Galaxy headphones, and you literally could start listing things such like this, where it's like the top quality, or even if you have iPhone charging bundles, right? You'll see different bundles that you may want to actually take, like these, right? Where they have the username right here. We can get rid of this username. Yes, we can get rid of it. We can get rid of the US sellers, the AAA, and we can put whatever we want. We can even do things like put our own brand on different type of pictures, create our own little bundle photos. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I know for a fact that there are people out there that have these problems where you're trying to figure out exactly how you can get these things done in a matter of seconds, minutes, and as soon as possible so that you can actually start listing. Now, I got two more examples that I want to show you because these are examples of products we're going to actually be working with right now. So we have a product right here. I took this picture from a really good listing that I found on eBay. I also took this picture from a really good listing on eBay. Now I can take this and make it a 3-pack or 4-pack, whatever. I use this type of editing all the time when it comes to my products because I do like to list in bundles. I find that it gets me more money, and I like to get rid of the US seller and the fast shipping from the USA. I like getting rid of those. So we're gonna focus on this and then we'll focus on logos, but I wanna show you how to actually edit these in all facets because again, as resellers, we run into this problem all the time. All right, so I'm going to actually pull up a few of these right now so that we can get right into it. Now, if you're somebody out there that maybe is listing products and you, for some reason, are hit with a seller saying, oh my God, you have my picture up, take my picture down. This is exactly how you can do it, all right? Okay, so we have this picture right here. This is a nice picture. I think that it could be altered, especially for our brand, right? And I'm gonna show you exactly how I would do it. But again, I like the universal compatibility text. I like the foldable 30-watt. I like all that. I don't like this USA supplier. And if you zoom in, you can easily see that they just slapped this on, right? So we gotta get these things that we don't like out of the picture. We could do something simple just like that, right? And what we could do is we could get rid of the borders literally by just doing something simple like this, right? Okay, and then we could even put our own little spin or our own logo, right? And I think that that could be beneficial. Now, let's say we want just this charger right here. We only want this, right? So the way I do it is I'll go to edit and then I'll go over to Magic Eraser And I can erase anything. I can erase this and have it blend in with the charger, right? But we don't want that, obviously. We want the fast charger to stay. But again, if this was like a logo or some type of company name, I would try and erase it because again, mine may not have that, you know? Now, sometimes it allows you to do things closer to the background, but what I realized with this type of tool is the magic eraser, it combines or it does work in tandem with the background that it's closest to, right? So it's close to the black, so it's going to blend in with the black. But again, we could do this and erase, okay? And as I'm doing it, I'm trying to just get rid of this blue text. Now, this is if we wanted just to keep the charger, right? But we don't want the text on it. And again, I'm not perfect at this, guys, and you don't have to be either. It's not like people are gonna have a microscope looking at your listings, but we wanna make sure that it's really, really transparent what we're selling. Then we can do a background remover, and then we can remove every single thing in the background. And then we can literally take this, and then we can make this a listing. So this is a really good example of how you can take a product that may have all little text and make it your own, right? And just make it a regular one. Okay, and that's important for people that are listing pods, or if you're listing products that maybe you know for a fact have different type of signage that you don't want. Now, let's talk about bundles and let's talk about watermarks, okay? So again, like this is a little different than you would consider a product. Let me actually go full so you guys can see close. It's a little different than if you were trying to get rid of a logo. A watermark is what you're gonna see when it's a bunch of text that is on your screen, right? So look at this text. It's kind of annoying, right? And people do this just so that you don't steal their pictures, which I guess, okay, it's that deep, okay, cool, whatever, right? I'm gonna get rid of these borders, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on, we could just get rid of the background, right? But I wanna get rid of this watermark. So I'm gonna go to edit, I'm gonna go to magic eraser, then I'm gonna go put this little brush and it might not work. It might, since it's white, it might go back to the background. And I'm gonna show you what to do if it does, okay? It might just erase it all, let's see. Oh no, it didn't. It actually blends it in. As you see, it blends it in. And that's what we want. We want to try and make sure we're getting rid of as much of the watermark as we could. So what I would do after that is I would click this, right? And I would try to erase. Okay. And then what I would do is, let me show y'all because you might, yeah. So now the watermark is gone. But look at this little thing right here, right? You may be wondering, what is this little black mark? Well, this black mark is hiding this little, this lightning port, right? But like, let's say we wanted to get rid of that. Okay. So the way I'm literally, for the first time editing this, guys, so I'm just talking through what I would do. I could try to magic erase it, right? I could try, but I feel like it's not gonna work. Let's see. I feel like this is not gonna work. Yeah, I don't like that, but we can keep it like that. And what we could do is we can copy this. We could take this charger right here, okay? And then we can put it right on top. And then there we go, right? Or let's say you're like, oh, well, Brandon, I can still see this one. Okay, so we'll copy this. We'll take this out, okay? Okay, we'll take that out. Take that, take this. Now, we could do it a bunch of different ways, and then we could just do this one, or we could literally just copy these, right? And get rid of this, get rid of that, and then put it right here. Or let's say you wanted to do a 4-piece with the adapters. Now you can start moving the adapters around, and now you have a 4-piece adapter profile pic. Now, again, this sounds simple, but you won't believe how many people get stuck, especially when it comes to watermarks, okay? Now, again, I don't fault nobody for putting watermarks on their products, again, but these are things that I think a lot of us deal with, especially when we're trying to list products. Now, let me actually get a product that has a logo on it, right? So how will we handle a product that has a logo? And maybe not even just a logo, a product that has any type of wording that we don't actually have on our packaging. How will we handle that, right? So let me see. I don't know why I keep going to that one. Let me see, guys, if I have what I want to list, right? Which is right here, okay? Now, I have this little charger, right? And it's a wired charger. Oh man, I just made the AirPods that I gotta ship off. So, I got this right here, and I'll go full screen so I can show you, okay? So this right here is going to be what we're trying to list, but it doesn't have any Apple logo, and then of course the back is similar, but it doesn't have the Apple address on it, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to add it. So how are we gonna do this, man? Well, simple, because you guys already know how I just showed you. We're gonna do the same exact thing, okay? So we could do a background remover and remove the background, but I feel like the background right there makes this look even more generic, but also authentic. I don't wanna erase the background, but what I do wanna do is I'm gonna erase this logo. So I'm just gonna make this small. I'm gonna hit that, hit erase, boom. Now let's say you don't know what meter the charger is and you don't wanna put that, you can get rid of that too. Boom. Now, what I will say though is when we're gonna reset it, when we're looking at this logo, we wanna keep the 2 meter because that just makes it seem authentic. But, never mind, because this one does not have any measurement on it. So I'm gonna erase it. And then when I erase it, now we're gonna work with the back. And you might have some discoloration, just erase that too. Right now, this is going to be the front, and then we gotta work with the back, right? So I'm gonna go and we'll do the magic eraser tool again. And now I'm gonna erase everything that is not on the back of my box, right? So boom, we could do, and I can go really in depth right here, but I'm not gonna go too in depth. We're just gonna get rid of this, okay? That's gonna be gone. Make sure there's no leftover, okay? And then what we could do is we could do things really creatively, and we can even move the logos where they need to be. So prime example, let's say this diagram needs to switch a little, right? If I wanted to put this type C right here, I could put the type C thing right here. Then I can copy this. I could take this little charging diagram and I can put it over here, okay? And these are like things that people do just to try and make sure that their products are looking similar to what they are advertising, as you don't want the customer to get upset because you're selling something that looks a little different. Then they open up a case on eBay and then you have a whole problem, right? So we'll just erase this. It may not erase all full. Oh, it does. Okay, great. Now what we could do is we could background remove these. We can remove the background. And now we have that logo. We can remove this background and the same exact thing. And we could play around with the colors. But again, guys, you guys get exactly what I'm saying. And I wanted to create this video because I know I had some people that were struggling listing products and overthinking. Don't overthink, man. Just list the product, make the product whatever you want, make those bundles more visual on your product picture, your cover art or your cover picture, and I'm promising you, you'll get more sales on platforms just like eBay and Mercari. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.